Right, so multiplying decimals, remember from the previous video, you just ignore the decimal point. So in this case, 4 times 7, right? And we can work that out, can't we? 4 times 7 is 28, okay? So what I'll do then, I'll write that answer here, 28, okay? Leave a bit of a gap here, because I might need a bit of 0, we'll see now. What you do then is, look how many decimal places there are. There are 1, and there's 1 there. So there's 2 in total, which means you must have 2 in the answer. Okay, so these are our decimal places. So the decimal point goes there, and indeed we need to put a 0 here. Okay, when we look at the next one, again ignore the decimal points. So 6 times 8, which is 48. Write our answer here. And then, of course, 2 decimal places. So 2 in the answer. So 0.48. Okay, here then, 2 times 3, ignore the decimal points, which is 6. Okay. 6 alone, so we've got 2 decimal places on this. We need 2 decimal places in the answer. We've only got 1 here, so I'm going to have to write 6 as 06. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Okay, so there's our 2 decimal places then. Let me put a point there and a 0. Now this here, 0.1 squared simply means 0.1 times 0.1. Okay, which of course then, if we work out 1 times 1, we get 1. Right, ignore the decimal points. Putting 1 there in our answer, now we've got 2 decimal places, haven't we? So it'll be 2 in the answer. So again, I can write 1 as 0.1. Okay, so 0.01 is my answer with 2 decimal places. Second page here, right now, it doesn't matter if you've got like hundredths here and you can see thousands here. What you do is, of course, you ignore the decimal points. You just multiply the non-zero numbers. 4 times 7, okay, which is 28. Right, so we write our answer here. And then we work out now how many decimal places our answer needs. 1, 2 there. Another one there, so we've got 3. 1, 2. We need another one, so put a 0 here to give us our third decimal place, 0.08, 0.028. Finally then, again ignore the decimal point. 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, so a bit of a squeeze here, we get that in. Now how many decimal places do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 2 here, so we can need to have 3 zeros, haven't we? To be our 5 decimal places. Okay, and then we put a 0 point there, so just squeeze that in. So we got 0.00048. You can see there are 5 decimal places in the question, 5 in the answer.